What is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for watching another video. If you guys are new here, make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and let's get on with today's video. In today's video, as you guys can see by the title and the thumbnail, we're gonna go check out a supercar that we've been wanting for a very long time. Actually meeting up with the homie Daniel, who's also thinking about getting rid of his M3 and his M4. I don't think his M4 actually. I think just his M3. And he wants to jump into a supercar as well. And if you guys watched my previous video, I talked about getting rid of the M4 and the M3. But I listened to a lot of your guys' comments, and after a lot of thought into it, guys, I don't think I could probably sell the M3 just because the fact that it's a Lime Rock 1 out of 200, naturally aspirated V8. And actually, it's more rare than this. This is 1 of 700. It doesn't sound as good. I mean, it looks good. Don't get me wrong. I love the OLED style taillights. I love the wing. I love the paint, the cage, everything about it, the water injection, everything about this car is freaking amazing. It's an amazing car all around. Don't get me wrong. But anyway, enough talking. Let's go meet up with Daniel. Let's head over. Can't even talk anymore, guys. Let's head over to the dealership and let's go check out the beautiful car that we're about to go check out. Damn, pulling up to the big celebrity's house. Jeez. What are we doing today? Some supercars, some exotics. I didn't tell them what dealership we're going to, but I just saw it.
Some cars. Maybe some the new G80s.
Oh man. All right, so let's go to the first dealership and let's check out the one car that we both want.
Nice.
All right, guys, so Daniel might be saying goodbye to his M4 or his M3.
No gloves.
Which one's gonna go? The M4 is so clean, look at that. Damn, is this the last fill up for the M4? Oh. Damn, the homie Daniel vlogging. Yeah! We gotta make him upload his first video, guys. Hey, it's raining! What the hell? How's it raining? Guys, it's like 85 degrees outside and it's freaking raining now. What the hell? That's crazy. Alright guys, we're here. You got Bentley and Rolls Royce, you got Maserati, and then of course you got Lamborghini. So that is where we're at for today. We're gonna check out a Lamborghini that they have that I saw online and check it out and get some info on it. Damn, look at this color, guys. So it's like a satin finish. Oh my god. Congrats, bro. Honestly, bro, damn, this car would have to be fucking clear, broad.
I just want to thank my viewers for hitting me up to 1 million.
I know they got this blue rear-wheel drive, but it's sold already. This is nice too, but honestly, a convertible, nah. They got this gloss white one right here, Urus. Uruses are really nice. I just feel like I have to own a V10 or V12 before I jump into this.
Yeah, it's fully spec'd.
The fully spec'd out, yeah, it's got the carbon spoiler on it. You can see, it's insane, bro. Yeah. Oh, it's carbon. Bro, that's, dude, look at all the carbon. Wow, the mirror caps. That's crazy. Oh my gosh, guys.
I ordered this car.
You ordered it? This one is
just for stock inventory, but
perfectly spec'd, and like the way that has the bucket seat with the carbon on it. This one is like literally perfect,
this
guys.
is a 4-layer paint too. It has that Giallo Gallinas, so you can't tell with this gloomy weather, but it's got this like really sparkly.
Oh, it has
yellow.
metallic in it.
Yeah.
Damn, that's sick.
This paint is a $14,000
Wow.
option.
Wow.
25, we're gonna have our first full EV.
Exactly.
Yeah.
And it came with upgraded
That's why they're
Ekrapovic exhaust, guys. But they can't sell it to demo car, but apparently somebody already put their deposit down for this. All right, guys, here we go. I want this car so freaking badly. Wow. This was nice. Wow, this is so nice. That's fire. Well, congrats to whoever's buying it, or whoever bought it. Would Daniel get a Bentley? That's a nice one right there. All right, guys, so we just left the dealership, and unfortunately, that yellow one is actually sold. So the person came in, left their deposit. Daniel's thinking about just probably ordering his to the spec that he would like. Me, I'm just too impatient. I would just want to buy it right on the spot. But yeah, so apparently like all like Lamborghinis dealerships and everything, they're like high in demand, and you cannot, like, any car that comes to the dealer, it's already been sold technically. Like the person like either ordered it, so the only way they would become available is if the person backs out on their deal that they had ordered, and their deposit they lose. So then the car becomes available. But other than that, you're not gonna find one just, you know, sitting on the lot like ready for sale. Yeah, right there. Sad. And but can Daniel really sell the M3, the M4? Probably not. Oh my God, guys! Beautiful, beautiful Huracan. This is the Evo all-wheel drive, and this is the Evo rear-wheel drive. Right now, I already took photos of these, but I think this is the first time I'm putting this in the vlog. But I took photos for these cars, and I think right now I'm about to shoot a Cullinan white with the orange interior. I got my camera with me. We're gonna go photo shoot in Beverly Hills. Woo! We're taking this big boy out today. Oh my gosh, dude. We're gonna take out the GT63. We gotta photo shoot this car right here. Oh my gosh, this is big baller status right here. I swear, I forget the Lambos, forget it. I'll take the Cullinan all day. This interior. And of course, got the stars in the roof. Guys, so right now we're driving the Rolls-Royce Cullinan. Hold on, bro. Don't stress, bro. I got you, man. I got you. Woo! And I got myself too. Bam! What's up? We're in the Rolls-Royce Cullinan, guys. We're gonna go photo shoot it, go to Beverly Hills, and take some pictures. Damn, guys, this interior is so freaking luxurious. For what are you doing back there, bro? He wants to be driven around, but you got the stars in the roof. You got that full orange interior. It is so baller. Such a neck breaker. We're gonna go down Rodeo and break some more necks. Yeah, guys, this car drives so freaking smooth. Like, I feel like I'm just gliding. It's like roller skating. It feels so smooth and comfortable. Like, you just feel like a straight boss in this car. Literally. Well, I am one, but yeah. Man, we pulling up at Masterminds. What do they got? E30? Damn, okay. Oh, M4 CS. Let's see what they got on their lot. Okay, little 350Z right here. Oh, look at those wheels. They're like red color. I don't even know. Damn, this Bentley came out so freaking nice. Oh my gosh, dude. This Bentley is sick. Look at that interior. That steering wheel. Damn. Bentley does such a good job with their interiors. Look crazy. This is a new Bentley. This is like a 2021. This is their new facelift and everything. And look, it's got like crystals inside the headlights. The color before was like this blue, but they did it like satin pearl white. Look at the taillights. Gloss black tips. Anyway, this shit is fire. Would you guys take a Bentley, or would you guys still take the Rolls Royce? I don't know, man. This Bentley is looking fire. They got this F30 right here. I think they're wrapping it purple. It's got the carbon hood on it, as you can see. Carbon fiber hood, purple wrap going on. It's gonna be sick. Got the homie Kev Z92 M3 up there. I think they're doing air suspension on it, which is gonna be sick. So, what kind of air suspension is it?
Airlift.
Airlift? 3P or what is it? 3P, I guess?
Yeah.
Damn, Lime Rock, all over you. Got the homie Varton's M4 CS, San Marino blue. So he went with like that yellow caliper theme going on. So he got yellow on the brake calipers, and he did the M4 like the CS color, yellow, and then I believe inside the interior he did like, I don't know if you guys can see, but the shifter and then the little center trim piece and the paddle and the M1, M2 and start stop is in yellow. I can get a better look for you guys. I don't know if you guys can see, but that's yellow, the shifter. It's pretty cool. It's got like a little theme going on there. And actually the blue with the yellow accents looks really good. Oh, look at those front mount intakes right there, as you guys can see. Hiding behind the grills. Damn. And as you guys can see, he has the OEM CS lid, but he did the splitters as well. It's pretty cool. But damn, my car be looking good. I gave her a bath today. Got her washed up for tomorrow. We got the San Diego Beamer Fest going on, so I'll be vlogging that. You guys got to stay tuned for that one. Vacuumed all the interior, so it's looking nice and fresh. Let's check that front end real quick. Sheesh. We got the old school buggy right here. Shit is clean. Damn. Hey, imagine one of these in orange, cruising down PCH, pulling up to the beach, you know? We got the old school Dirty 30 right here. Looks good too. Got the convertible top. Man. There's no way that's factory. What's up, G?
New headlights.
You got new headlights? Yep. For your M4?
Yep.
What'd you get?
Electronics.
Let me see, let me see, let me see. You're so excited to open it. Let me see. Oh, my man's got the LCIs. Wow.
Yeah.
Damn, these are very clean actually. Yeah. M4 versus supercharged E92 M3.
I have only stage 2, that's it.
No, he will still win. Nice, bro. You finally got your carbon fiber lip.
Yep.
So this is gonna go below the splitters.
Mm-hmm.
So this is like the M Performance style.
Yep.
Yeah, that's sick. Air's brought the big boy out, the M5. Damn, G. What's up? Yeah, that's just sick, bro. Whose man's out here with the M logo on here? All right, guys, that's it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy it. Make sure to hit that subscribe button, the like button, turn on the post notifications, follow me on Instagram, and I'll see you guys on the next video. Take care. Peace.